All yours.
Cheers, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to test the Gyroo 1 with the Gyroo 2 blades on. No changes to trim or anything. Just literally see if it's the blades that are giving me the issue with the Gyroo number 2. There's quite a lot of wind today. Definitely seems slower to spin up. So it's got a bit of blade. Yeah, it's got a bit of blades overhead. I can't change the bearings on it. So I'm gonna next thing try changing the bearings and see if that is what my issue is. That's the end of that one. that's the problem with blades. So that's my favourite Gyroo, Smash A Rhoo. Not enough lift. I know there's a bit of breeze about, but